We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first.
Hi guys, welcome back into today's video. In today's video I want to share with you my typical evening routine. It's not usually the same, it sometimes changes, but I want to share with you my routine with a toddler. Yeah, if you can see, my baby is there, he's seated, he's busy watching. I don't know why he was holding his cheek, but he was watching some cartoons, which at times you'll see me watching. So welcome back, and feel free, please like the video, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And let me share with you our evening routine.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing. We're not a thing. I'm doing alright. Since we are apart, you know it's always the heart first. Don't care if it hurts, you're making it worse. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. Not gonna feel a thing. I'm not gonna see your face tonight. Not gonna see your face. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So cry all you want, but I still walk away. Cry all you want, but I still walk away. So many words, but you don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you love me, cause it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It's not a thing.
Once I was done with ironing, we went out to look for dinner and we took baby's bike to the fundi. It was not good, it was spoiled, and we also passed by to refill our drinking water. Yeah, we ran out of water and we really needed some water. And also at this point, I saw this mama who was selling this rope and I wanted to fit one. I was really fitting them. I fit like 4 to 5, but I decided to pick one. So these are the things I took home. I took that's a beef, and these are stripes or matumbo, and I also got some nyanya, green pepper, and garlic. I mean, yeah, this I've not done shopping in this house. I just bought a few that will push us for some time. Then we'll go do shopping. So today we are going to take stripes, ugali with greens for dinner. So that's what I'm preparing. I've already washed them off camera. I really washed them thoroughly. They were so dirty, and now I'm cutting them into small cubes so that we can boil them fast. Meanwhile, as the stripes are boiling, because I want to boil them fast, I decided to do some skincare routine. On this day, I wanted to mask, so I want to mask first, and then I freshen up, and then go back to the kitchen and finish cooking. Our stripes are already boiled. Now I want to fry them first till they turn to golden brown. Then I'll make the tomatoes paste and everything separate, and then I'll pour them in. You'll just see what I'll do. And I also added some sugar on them after I'd removed them from the oil so that it can balance the taste of sugar and salt. Yeah, I recently learned this method and I've love making my beef this way and my everything, my stew this way. So that's how nowadays I do them. I fry them first, I make the paste separate, and then I add them after fried. Yeah, so it tastes better than just boiling and pouring everything in on it. Yeah, so let's continue watching. I'll just make the stripe, then make my skuma wiki and all greens, and then make my ugali. Today we will make some cassava ugali, yeah, or brown ugali. So stick around, and if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notified. So yeah guys, so stick around and enjoy the video. So this was the dinner that evening, and if you watched this video until this point, thank you so much for your support, and please like the video so that it can be recommended so many people, and let's meet in another video.